Hey all, welcome to Homeschool. And today I am with the key answers for science examination that has been conducted by Karnataka SSLC Board 2021. So all the 40 MCQs key answers I am providing you. So let me not waste much time. Let's go for 41st question, right? See, the device that works on the principle of electromagnetic induction is electric generator. So option A is correct for 41st question. And coming to 42nd question, it's on electricity chapter. An electric lamp whose resistance is 30 ohms and a conductor of 6 ohms are connected in series to a 9-volt battery. So they are asking total current, right? So we have a Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So I is equal to V by R. Voltage is given, that is 9 volt. Whereas resistance you have to calculate total resistance in series. So it is R1 plus R2. So 30 plus 6, it is 36. Okay. You have 9 divided by 36. 9 divided by 36 is 0.25. So definitely option C is correct for 42nd question. Okay. So option C for 42nd question. Coming to 43rd question. The inner wall of a solar cooker is painted black because this absorbs more heat. So option D is correct for 43rd question. So this is the question which you got from model paper 1. Actually, many of the questions are from model paper 1 and 2 that you can observe. And then 44th question, the metal used in the filament of electric bulb is, it is definitely tungsten, right? So option B is correct for 44th question. And coming to 45th question, a rectangular coil of copper wire is rotated in a magnetic field. The direction of the induced current changes once in every half rotation or half revolution, you can say. So option C is correct for 45th question. Coming to 46th question, it's from light chapter. The focal length of a lens is plus 0.50 meter. The power of the lens and type R. So definitely power is equal to 1 by F. So you will be doing 1 by 0.5 meters. So you will get the answer plus 2.0 D, right? So your answer for power is plus 2.0, whereas plus sign indicates that it is for convex lens, isn't it? So convex lens and answer is plus 2.0. That is option A is correct for 46th question. Coming to 47th question, a device used to change the resistance in the electric circuit is, definitely it's a rheostat. So option D is correct for 47th question. And then coming to 48th question, the magnetic field lines inside a solenoid or in the form of parallel straight lines. The reason for this is the magnetic field inside the solenoid is definitely uniform. So you have a parallel lines inside a solenoid. So option B is correct for 48th question. Coming to 49th question here, it's from the light chapters and from ray diagrams. The nature and size of the image formed when an object is kept between principal focus F1 and optic center O of convex lens. So this is a very special case, the last case of convex lens, right? So you will get virtual erect image and the image is enlarged. So definitely it's option A is correct for 49th question. So it's a very, very important question where you have to be very, very careful. Coming to 50th question, the device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy is definitely electric motor. So option D is correct for 50th question. Coming to 51st question, ohm is the SI unit of resistance. So much easier question. So option B is correct for 51st question. Coming to 52nd question, See, material is given, refractive index values are given. In which material medium the speed of light is very high? See, speed of light depends on refractive index. You know, both are inversely proportional to each other. So refractive index, if it is less, right, speed of light will be maximum, right? So just check the least value. So the least value among them is 1.33. So that is for yes. So option C is correct for 52nd question, right? And coming to 53rd question, the source of energy in nuclear power reactor is definitely it's a nuclear fission reaction, right? So option A is correct for 53rd question. Coming to 54th question, one property of convex lens among the following is that diverges the light rays? No. Is thicker at the edges and thinner at the middle? No. Forms real erect images? No. See, thinner at the edges and thicker at the middle, right? Thinner at the edges, thicker at the middle. So this is the correct property. See, they are asking one property of convex lens. That means they are actually asking the correct sentence. So correct sentence is option D. So option D is correct for 54th question. Coming to question number 55. A compound that reacts with both acids as well as bases to produce salt and water is amphoteric oxide. So here which among them is the example of amphoteric? Definitely aluminium oxide. So option A is correct for 55th question. See, I can see the questions are very easy. Most of the questions are from the MCQ questions that I done chapter wise, right? You can observe that those who have watched my videos. 56th question you can see. Structural formula of propanol. Propanol, prop means 3 carbon atoms, al means CHO group. So where do you have? You know, here CHO group, 3 carbon atoms. So option C is correct answer for 56th question. 57th question, very direct one. Properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic number. This law was proposed by Henry Moseley, right? So option D is correct for 57th question. Coming to 58th, so this question you have to think and answer. Observe the following chemical reaction. Okay, so 2 chemical reactions are given. The decreasing order of reactivity of metals in the above reaction. Say decreasing order means what? High reactive to less reactive. So this is what the decreasing order, isn't it? Highly reactive to less category. So iron, zinc and copper. So can you tell me which is more reactive? Definitely zinc. So zinc is more reactive than iron, iron is more reactive than copper. So option A is correct answer for 58th question, right? It's based on the reactivity series. Those who have remembered the trick that I told you can answer this question very easily. So coming to 59th question, the atomic number of an element 20. So here only you can think which element has atomic number 20, that is calcium. In the modern periodic table, this element belongs to which period? Period means this horizontal row. It belongs to 4th period. So option C is correct answer for 59th question. And coming to 60th question, the number of single bonds and double bonds present in the structure of benzene molecule respectively are. See, this is a benzene molecule. Say how many single bonds and double bonds are there, right? You see the double bonds, 1, 2, 3. 3 double bonds are there, okay? And how many single bonds? 3 here in the ring, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So they asked you number of single bonds. It is 9. Double bonds, 3. So 9 and 3 is the answer, okay? So if you have marked for 3 and 9, it is wrong. See, single bonds, double bonds respectively. First single bond number 9. Next double bond number 3. So 9 and 3. Option B is correct answer for 60th question. Fine. Coming to 61st question. The gas liberated when sodium carbonate reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. When metal carbonates react with hydrochloric acid, you will get carbon dioxide gas. So option A is correct answer for 61st question. Coming to 62nd question, the major component of compressed natural gas is methane. Okay, so methane is the correct answer, not butane. You have to be very careful with these two options. So option C is correct for 62nd question. Coming to 63rd question, the substance that converts blue litmus paper to red. Say blue is converting to red means that particular substance is acidic in nature, right? So lime water is calcium hydroxide solution. This is a base. Pure water neutral. Sodium hydroxide base. Gastric juice which is acidic. So definitely this can convert blue litmus to red. So option D is correct answer for 63rd question. 64. The process used to convert sulfide ores into oxide ore. Much easiest question. So that is option B. So option B is correct for 64th question. 65. The common molecular formula of both hexene and cyclohexane. Okay. So cyclohexane is this, right? So everywhere carbon is there and each carbon has 2 bonds with hydrogen. So they are telling there is a same formula for both hexene and cyclohexane. You no need to put the 2 structures, only one structure. Just count the number of carbons and hydrogen. 6 carbons are there, hydrogens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So C6H12 is the answer. So option C is correct for 65th question. And coming to 65th question, option C is correct. 66th question, the acid present in the stinging air of nettle plant leaves is methanoic acid. So option A is correct for 66th. 67. The hormone that regulates carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism in human body is thyroxine, right? So option D is correct for 67th question. Coming to 68th question, it's from control and coordination. A pot that has growing seedling is kept in a dark room. A burning candle is placed near it for a few days. The top part of the seedling bends towards the light of a burning candle. This is because, any part that is bending towards a light is called as phototropism. So option B is correct answer for 68th question. Coming to 69th question, the correct statement with respect to biodegradable substances among the following of these substances is, say they are talking about the correct statement, which among them is correct. Undergo recycling naturally in the environment. Yes, biodegradable substances undergo recycling naturally in the environment. So option A itself is correct for 69th. Remaining all options are actually wrong. 70th question, you can observe. This is also a question from model question paper itself. The correct sequence found in the process of sexual reproduction in the flower is, first pollination takes place, later fertilization, after that embryo is formed, and finally seed formation takes place. So option D is correct answer for 70th question, right? Coming to 71st question, saving electricity by switching off unnecessary work of lights and fans is an example of reduce, right? You have 5 hours to conserve environment. So whenever you need anything like saving electricity by switching off is definitely, we will call it as reduce. We have to reduce the energy. Fine. So option B is correct for 71st question. 72nd question, very easy, from heredity and evolution chapter. They said if a round green seeded pea plant, right, when it is crossed with wrinkled yellow, the seeds produced in F1 generation will be, RRYY, that is round and yellow, right? So round yellow seeds you will get, that is option C is correct for 72nd question. Coming to 73rd question, homologous organs are, definitely they have same structure and perform different functions. So option B is correct for 73rd question. Okay, coming to 74th question, you can read this. The blood vessels that carry blood from all parts of the human body to heart. So deoxygenated blood is taken to heart by which blood vessels, they are asking. It is veins. So option D is correct for 74th question. Coming to 75th question. Plants can get rid of excess of water by this process. Definitely that is transpiration. Okay, loss of water can occur maximum through transpiration. So option A is correct for 75th question. Coming to 76th question. So this is our 76th question. The gap between two neurons is synapse. So option C is correct. 77th question. The embryo gets nutrition from the mother's blood with the help of a special part called placenta. So option D is correct for 77th question. 78th. The common passage for both sperms and urine in human male reproductive system is urethra. Okay, it is urethra, right? So option A is correct for 78th question. Coming to 79th question. So 79th question is this. Which of the following is not the advantage of water harvesting structures? Option A, recharges the groundwater, advantage. Water does not evaporate, advantage. Provide breeding grounds for mosquitoes. Actually, water harvesting structures should not provide breeding grounds for mosquitoes, right? So this is not advantage. So option C is correct for 79th question. Question number 80, the last question, very easiest question. The experiences of individual during its lifetime cannot be passed on to its progeny because they are acquired traits. Okay, so option B is correct for 80th question. So if you have to ask my opinion about a question paper, the question paper is very easy, right? And most of the questions are from model papers and they are from the MCQ videos that I have done. So if you would have watched all my videos, then definitely you would have scored, I mean your score will be definitely 40 on 40, right? So I am basically very much happy at the question paper, and at the same time, you know, I can say this is not that very challenging question paper, right, for the people who have studied very hard and who studied in a deeper sense. But anyway, your knowledge will not go anywhere. It can be used for your further classes like PUC class 11 and 12, right? So anyways guys, so that's all about for the year 2021. And with this, I am completing the video. We will meet you all with the first year PUC Chemistry and Physics chapter. Thank you so much. All the best.